Put a sanitary pad inside your sock. This trick will help you get rid of a persistent problem. Shoes often rub at the worst moments. Instead of searching for Band-Aids that will roll off or fall off after a while, try this trick. Cut a piece of the pad and stick it to the spot where the shoe is rubbing. Then put on your sock and continue wearing the same shoes comfortably. I guarantee this trick will bring relief. It's a genius hack that I use myself. Spread VapoRub on a pad. This hack has surprised thousands of people. The secret lies in a simple combination. Take a small pot and pour in about 2 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling, carefully place the container of VapoRub inside. Let it boil for about 2 minutes until the ointment melts into a liquid mixture. VapoRub contains menthol and camphor, which create a warming effect while giving a refreshing, cooling sensation. Now take out 1 sanitary pad from the package. The pad absorbs moisture perfectly and holds it inside. Coat it with the melted VapoRub mixture. Place the prepared pad in the freezer for about 2 hours until it hardens and cools completely. After that, stick it to the bottom of your foot. The chilled pad with VapoRub works like a natural compress. It soothes tired feet, refreshes, reduces the feeling of heaviness, and cools pleasantly. Thanks to the menthol, it gives a sensation of lightness and relaxation. It's a great way to feel better after a long day on your feet. I had been putting on a sanitary pad the wrong way my whole life, thinking I was doing it right. Only recently did I find out that the common method you're probably using as well isn't actually the best. I'll show you 2 ways to apply a pad correctly. The first method involves the so-called wings. Take a pad and stick it to your underwear as you normally would. When you peel off the protective paper from the wings, don't throw it away. That's the key to the trick. Place it back where the wings would stick, and only then press the wings into place. This makes changing the pad much easier and wearing it more comfortable, as the fabric of your underwear won't be stuck so tightly to the adhesive. The second method also involves the wings, but in a different way. Again, attach the pad to your underwear, peel off the protective paper from the wings, but this time you can throw it away. Instead of sticking the wings to your underwear, simply stick them to each other underneath the fabric. This way, the pad holds its shape better, and your underwear isn't burdened with extra adhesive. Try both methods, see which works better for you, and remember, sometimes a small change in your daily habits can make a big difference in comfort. Attach a sanitary pad to your shower head. It will save you a lot of time. It turns out it has a hidden use in the bathroom. Take a measuring cup and pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix thoroughly. Unfold the sanitary pad without removing its protective backing. Soak it generously with the vinegar mixture. Sanitary pads are made from highly absorbent material, so they can hold a lot of liquid. Next, take the shower head. Mineral deposits from water build up inside, making it difficult to clean the small channels. This reduces water flow and leaves a lot of residue. Instead of scrubbing the shower head, place it on the sanitary pad. Secure it on top and leave it for a few hours. The pad will keep it moist during this time. The vinegar will dissolve the mineral deposits on the surface and inside. Your shower head will work like new again, without any scrubbing or washing. The sanitary pad does the job for you. This genius use for a sanitary pad is something few people know about. No matter what kind you use, pads can actually come in handy around the house in surprising ways. Turns out, they're a fantastic and versatile product. When you can't reach tight spots under cabinets or the fridge with a mop, just use a sanitary pad instead. Remove the mop head, grab a regular pad, with or without wings, though a longer one works best. Peel off the adhesive backing and wrap the pad around the end of the stick, just like I show in the video. The pad will stick to the handle, and the outer layer acts like a cloth. But unlike a regular rag, which would slide off, the pad stays in place thanks to the adhesive. Now you can clean even the narrowest spaces from dust and dirt. Just slide the end of the stick in, and when you're done, peel off the pad and toss it in the trash. I'm sure you didn't know this clever use for a sanitary pad. Start by taking 2 pads. Draw a heart on the wrapper of one, then cut out the shape. Thanks to their absorbency, pads can hold and gradually release scents. Their surface also sticks well to various materials, making them easy to place without shifting. Spray your favorite perfume or add a few drops of essential oil to the heart-shaped pad, then stick it to the underside of the toilet lid. With each lift, a fresh scent will be released, keeping the bathroom smelling pleasant. For a longer-lasting effect, place a scented heart on the inside of the toilet paper roll. It can also go inside your closet door for a gentle, fresh scent each time you open it. Use essential oils on the pads as well. They're great for neutralizing odors. Stick an oil-soaked piece inside the trash can lid or on the side to keep unpleasant odors at bay and add a refreshing aroma to the kitchen. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I threw away my foot file. If you struggle with thick and cracked skin on your feet, this trick will definitely change your life. It may look strange, but it works great. I stopped going to the beautician. All you need is a regular sanitary pad and some paste. Squeeze toothpaste into a bowl. Many people don't realize it has great skincare properties. Then, add a tablespoon of baking soda. This helps achieve the right consistency and boosts the paste's effects. Baking soda is antibacterial, soothes inflammation, and softens the skin. I spread a thick layer of the paste onto the pad. I place my clean foot on top, making sure the heel is centered and doesn't hang off the edge. I secure everything with a sock, which prevents the compress from moving and helps press the paste into the skin. I keep it on for about 2 hours. After that, I remove the sock and pad, then wash my feet in lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions. I do this treatment once a week. With regular use, the skin on my heels becomes smooth. The result? Baby soft feet.